Measuring cup. A cup with measurement markings used to measure liquids or dry ingredients. Use a measuring cup to add the correct amount of milk.
There are all your measuring cups.
Look on the side. Pee-wee. It's a measuring cup.
I can't find the measuring cup. Have you seen it?
The measuring cup?
No, that measuring cup has always been for urine.
A measuring cup? No.
Sieve. A tool with a mesh screen used for sifting flour or straining liquids. Sift the flour using a sieve before baking.
Grady needs sitting.
What's up, you sieve?
In a sieve I'll do the sale.
Roosters need sieving.
Your department leaks like a fucking sieve.
Seeing a flash of fool's gold in the sieve?
Zester. A small tool used to grate the outer skin of citrus fruits like lemon or orange. Add some lemon zest using a zester for extra flavor.
And we'll need a citrus zester, a ravioli quimper.
Matching weenie tongs and lemon zester.
Dad, are you still mad about the zester?
My lemon zester came.
I had more zest for the zester than I do for life.
Baking tray. A flat metal tray used for baking cookies, bread, or roasting food. Place the cookies on the baking tray before putting them in the oven.
On a baking tray?
You had buttered the dough.
I did.
Baking tray, great baking tray!
And I want my bacon tray back!
Tray. One tray.
Tureen. A deep bowl with a lid used to serve soups or stews. She brought a large tureen of hot soup to the table.
A spring tureen?
That turene's only doing what you're making it do.
Turn a blind eye and the soup turene's yours.
Pair the tureens, warm the bowls, please. Hush, hush, no noise.
A mug, a tureen, a small bowl of some kind.
What's up, Doc? What you got in the tureen?
Pepper mill. A small hand-operated grinder used to crush peppercorns into fine pepper. He twisted the pepper mill to add fresh pepper to his pasta.
That is a pepper mill.
I mean, you've been through the mill, Pepper.
Big pepper mill.
Oh, Aunt Jess, can you pass me a pepper mill?
Ice cube tray. A plastic or silicone tray used to make ice cubes. Fill the ice cube tray with water and put it in the freezer.
Fill an ice cube tray?
That all you got?
I can't fill your ice cube tray.
Iceberg, ice tray.
What kind of a sick bitch takes the ice cube trays out of the freezer?
The best thing to do is to wee onto an ice cube tray and then immediately...
He cut his finger on your ice cube tray.
Cling film. A thin plastic wrap used to cover and protect food from air exposure. Wrap the leftovers in cling film to keep them fresh.
Where is the fucking cling film?
Cling film.
Cling film.
Can opener. A tool used to open metal cans of food. Use the can opener to open the tuna can.
Can opener. A $39.95 can opener.
Open the can.
No problemo. Where's the can opener?
Ah, stupid can opener!
Pestle and mortar. A bowl and club-shaped tool used for grinding spices or herbs. She crushed garlic and herbs using a pestle and mortar.
You want a pink pestle and mortar? You're grinding like a girl.
She's rising a mortar and pestle through dark Russian skies.
I need a mortar and a pestle.
Check out mortar and pestle.
According to this, they should all be in the basement of the mortar and pestle building.